just a quick video to say Happy Christmas to all my YouTube watchers and subscribers. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I love making the videos. I know that a few of you love watching them. Many more to come in, where are we, 2022. I don't know what next year will bring. Hopefully we can get all this COVID stuff behind us and enjoy life to the full once again. But yes, thanks for watching. Without all you people watching the videos, and I love all your comments, there would be no videos. There'd be no point, would there? I do sometimes wonder, am I talking to myself? Sorry about the hat and the jumper. My wife made me wear it. She said, if you're doing a Christmas video, you've got to wear your hat and your jumper. So as soon as this is done, I'm taking this off. I'm certainly not going outside in the street with this hat on. It flashes, but I don't think you can see the bar humbug flashing. There we are. Thanks for watching, and look out for more videos in the future. Take care and have a great Christmas. Bye bye for now.